The moonlight glows, the stars shine bright. A blessed month, the guiding light. Hearts are pure, hands raised in prayer. Ramadan is here, love fills the air. Ramadan Kareem, a time of grace, mercy and blessings in every place. Fasting by day, prayers at night. Faith grows stronger, hearts shine bright. To prayer, peaceful sound, kindness and love all around. Sharing with those who have no feast. Ramadan teaches love increase. Patience and faith, we stand as one, seeking forgiveness from the Most High One. With every dawn, with every night, our souls are lifted to the light. Ramadan Kareem, a time of grace, mercy and blessings in every place. Fasting by day, prayers at night. Faith grows stronger, hearts shine bright. A call to prayer, a peaceful sound, kindness and love all around. Sharing with those who have no feast. Ramadan teaches love increase. Ramadan Kareem, a time of grace, mercy and blessings in every place. Fasting by day, prayers at night. Faith grows stronger, hearts shine bright. As the crescent fades, our hearts still glow. Lessons of love will always show. Till next Ramadan, we'll keep the light, spreading peace both day and night. Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan shine bright, a blessed month, the guiding light. Hearts are pure, hands raised in prayer. Ramadan is here, love fills the air. Ramadan Kareem,